Hello world, it's Darren Martineau from Team Freedom, and in this video I'm going to tell you a little bit a story about me, and I'm going to tell you about what I'm currently doing with marketing with Team Freedom. So I've been doing marketing for many years, and I got started in MLM, and I had a little bit of success, but I struggled, and then I found out about affiliate marketing. The top recruiters from a company that I was in, one of the companies, they were making about 25,000 a month. So I researched it and I found out they were doing internet marketing instead of multi-level marketing. So I moved to try and learn marketing. And then after years of struggling and joining all kinds of marketing products, I finally found out what really works and what doesn't. So in this video, I'm doing a video review of List Infinity, and List Infinity is it's an incredible training program. What it is, it teaches you how to build your email list, okay? And it pays you 100% commission, okay? It shows you all these incredible marketing trainings in it. So I'm going to go into my back office of List Infinity and kind of give you a little bit of an overview here and show you what's going on here a little bit, okay? So here's the back office of List Infinity. Now it costs there's $7 level, $25 level, $100 level, and $300 level. So when you join, what happens is you get access to the training, and then let's say you joined at for like $7, right? Well, if you start bringing in people and people are joining under the $25, $100, $300 level, what happens is that will go to your upline. So you want to join at the highest level possible. And so it pays you instantly to PayPal. And it's also a marketing funnel where you can put in your own affiliate offers and everything like this. See? So it gives you lead capture pages, it gives you all kinds of training, and much more. So I'll be making a lot of videos about this. So click on the link, put in your email, and I'll allow you to clone my funnel now. Please like, subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you very much.